Section 361, Operation with expired LTO, any PSA, PSTA, CGF, entity, or person which operate with an expired LTO shall suffer the penalty of the fine of not less than 50,000 pesos and not more than 100,000 pesos at the discretion of the chief SOSA. So, Section 361, kung expired na ang lisensya sa pag-operate sa security agency, multahan of 50,000 to 100,000 pesos. Section 362, practicing private security profession without valid or with expired license. Any person practicing private security profession without valid license or with an expired license shall suffer the penalty of the fine of not less than 50,000 pesos and not more than 100,000 pesos at discretion of the chief SOSA. The same penalty shall be imposed upon a PSA which shall deploy any person practicing private security profession without a valid license or without expired license. So, Section 362, kung walay lisensya or expired ng lisensya sa security guard, multahan of 50 to 100 pesos ang agency nga nagpatrabaho niya, multahan pod. Section 363, rendering security service for illegal activities. Any person who renders security service to persons or places involved in illegal activities shall suffer the penalty of imprisonment of not less than 12 years and 1 day to 20 years and fine of 1 million pesos at the discretion of the court without prejudice to criminal prosecution under other laws. So, Section 363, kung nagbantay ka sa mga illegal, mapreso ka o multahan og milyon. 364, other violation. Any person who violates any of the provisions of RA 11917 and this IRR not mentioned in the preceding section shall suffer the penalty of imprisonment of not less than 6 months and 1 day to 6 years or fine of 1 million pesos or both at the discretion of the court and suspension of revocation of its license with forfeiture of the bonds without prejudice to criminal prosecution under laws. If the offender is juridical entity, the penalty shall be imposed upon the officer of the juridical entity who participated in the decision that led to the violations of any provisions of RA 11917 and this IRR without prejudice to the revocation of their license issued by the PNP. So, Section 364, kung nakakailaing paglapas sa balaod sa security, pwede ka mapriso, multahan o suspension, bawiin ang lisensya kung kumpanya ang nakalapas, ang mga opisyal ang manubag. Section 365 SOSA, Awards and Recognition Board SARB shall formulate guidance on the conferment, grant of awards, and other form of recognition security, association, and such other entities in the security industry subject to the approval of yung Chief SCISA. Section 365, ang SRB magbuot ka kung kinsa ang hatagan og award sa security o kinahanglan mo uyon ang chief sa SOSA. Section 366, composition of SRB. The following shall be member of SRB. Section 366, dinhi nakasulat kung kinsa ang mga membro sa SRB. Section 367, types of award that SRB shall determine the types of awards and other forms of recognition as well as the guidelines and parameters for the grant conferment thereof subjects to the approval of the Chief SOSA. Section 367, SRB ang mag-desisyon kung unsa ang award ang ihatag o unsa ang paghatag kay kinahanglan na probado sa boss sa SOSA. Section 368, wearing of awards. All PSPs who are recipients of awards shall wear their miniatures thereof as part of their uniform. Section 368, kung nakaka-award, isuot ang imong uniforme. Section 369, visitorial power of the Chief SOSA or his duly authorized representative may at any time and upon issuance of a valid letter order shall conduct inspection anywhere in the Philippines to prevent any conflict of interest, undue advantage to the certain party, and no ensure the base interests of justice. So, Section 369, ang chief sa SOS pwede magpa-inspection bisan asa para patas ang tanan. Section 370, protection of the privacy subject to the provision of RA 10173, otherwise known as the Data Privacy Act, and relevant issuance of the National Privacy Commission SOSA RCSU shall afford for protection to personal right to privacy subject to the following conditions. Section 370, protektahan ang privacy and SOSA RCSU kinahanglan sunod sa Data Privacy Act. Section 371, content and submission of service agreement. SA means security service contract. SSC, the following the requirement in the SASSC. So Section 37, ang kontrata sa security dapat klaro sa trabaho, bayad, gamit o katungod sa mga guard, dapat sundon ang balaod o ibayad ang saktong contribution. Proven A, the PSA shall produce or submit the original or authenticated copy of the service agreement, security service contract, SSC, in connection with license application, administrative investigation, or any other similar or analog use purpose with directed to the by Chief SOS, Chief RCSU, any competent authority, or his/her duly authorized representative. The SSC must conform to the provision of the labor. So ang A, kung pangayon ang security agency dapat ipakita ang kontrata nila, dapat sundon ang balaod sa trabaho. Next, B, the specific description of the kind of nature of security job whose service being subcontracted. B, ang sabi kung ang security agency mo hire og lain, dapat klaro ang trabaho nga pagabuhaton. C, proof of ownership of the principal over the place of the work of the property being secured or guarded. So kailangan og papilis nga pamatuod nga ang kliyente ang tagiya sa lugar nga gibantayan. The term of conditions, the contracting arrangement which shall include the agreed amount of the security service to be rendered and the standard administrative fee of not less than 20% of the total contract cost. So di ang kontratas dapat klaro sa presyo o ang administrative fee dapat 20% pataas. F, an automatic crediting provision which shall immediately give effect to common provision in wage order to the prescribed increase in wage rate and other wage related benefits of PSP shall be borne by the principals or client of the PSA, and the SSC shall be deemed amended accordingly. So F, kung mataas ang sweldo tungod sa mando sa gobyerno, dapat automatic ini nga hihatag ang kumpanya nga nagkakuha og security and magbayad og mausab ang kontrata. G, provisions with the shall ensure that the client and the PSA shall uphold the rights and provide all the benefits of the PSPs and other private security personnel under the Labor Code as amended and other existing laws, and the violation of the which will render the service contractor ineligible to participate in any bidding and the principal ineligible to engage the service of such PSA. So G, dapat tumanon ang katungod sa mga gwardyang kung dili na pwede magnegosyo ang agency o ang nag-hire. Security equipment, hardware and software, less than lethal weapons, and electronic security device and system. Its specifications shall be indicated in the SSC. So dapat nakalista sa kontrata sa SSC ang tanan nga gamit sa security o kung sa ang model o klase. So H, provision that PC shall directly remit the monthly employer's share and employees' contribution to the Social Security System, Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, Home Development Mutual Fund, as well as insurance premiums to the insurance company registered and accredited by Insurance Commission. So H, ang agency dapat diretso magbayad sa SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig o insurance sa mga gwardya. I, provision requiring a security survey inspection to determine the number of the PSPs to deploy the client facility establishment, threat, vulnerability analysis or risk assessment, justifying utilization of appropriate security equipment, hardware and software, less lethal weapons and or electronic security device and system, and other similar analogous security requirements. And So ang I dapat inspection kung pila ka gwardya o unsa gamit ang mga kahinglan para sa seguridad. So G, other provisions that are just equitable under existing laws, rules, regulations. G, dapat sundo ng tanan nga balaod para patas ang kontrata. Section 372, administrative fee of private security agencies. The minimum administrative fee that may be charged by PSA to its client shall not be less than 20% of the total contract cost, subject to the adjustment by the DOLE, provided that additional fees shall be charged of the acquisition and maintenance of external tools and equipment used for security operations by agency required by clients and for the continuous deployment of private security professionals and hazardous conditions. So ang Section 372, ang agency pwede maningil og 20% sa kontrata kung pwede ba lungagon kung gastos sa gamit sa delikadong ang trabaho. Section 373, Schedule of the Fees, COSSI shall determine the schedule of the fees of the following in accordance with the existing laws, rules, and regulations. So Section 37, ang SOS magbuot kung pila ang mabayaran based sa balaod. Section 374, cascading of the RA 1197, and these are to client the PSA to CSA, RSCSU, or training personnel with valid LESP shall conduct seminar on RA 11917, and this one IIR to the client of or its authorized representative prior to the signing of the security service agreement contract. The attendees of the seminar shall be issues a certificate of attendance. Section 374, agency dapat mag-seminar sa kliyente bahin sa balaod sa dili pa mupirma sa kontrata ang matimbong hatagan o sertipiko. Section 375, SOSA and TSDA, SOSA shall coordinate with TISDA regarding accreditation of relevant course on conduct of competency assessment and issuance of national certificate of competency. So Section 375, ang SOSA o TSDA magtinabangay para sa mga kurso o sertipiko. Section 376, SOSA and DOLE in LRS. SOSA shall coordinate with DOLE in LRC regarding compliance with a violation of the labor code by any member of the security industry. Section 376, ang SOSA o DOLE magtibangay para sundo ng balaod sa trabaho sa security. Section 377, CFA and Overseas Working Welfare Administration. SOSA shall coordinate with OWWA regarding overseas deployment of the Filipino securities professionals. Section 377, ang SOS o OWWA magtibangay para sa mga security guard nga gusto mo trabaho sa abroad. Section 376, SOSA and other national government agencies. SOSA shall coordinate with other NGAs as appropriate So section 378, ang SOS magkay-coordinate sa ubang asensya kung kinahanglan